It's a beautiful day and I'm just going to head down to breakfast via the pool. I'm here in the stunning coastal town of Fethiye, a beautiful coastal town in southern western Turkey that gained popularity for its breathtaking beaches, clear turquoise waters and rich maritime history. It's a perfect spot for sailing, so today I'm embarking on the most iconic experience, the 12-island boat tour. Now, you might be thinking, November, isn't that a bit late for a tour in Turkey? Well, honestly, I thought the same. But let me tell you, Fethiye in November is an absolute hidden gem. The crowds are gone, the air is crisp, but still pleasantly warm. And the sea, well, just take a look at it. With fewer people around, it feels like I have these magnificent places almost entirely to myself. My journey today takes me through the Gulf of Fethiye. The 12-island boat tour is an unforgettable experience that lets me explore some of Fethiye's most stunning islands. The best part is the variety of activities available. I can swim, snorkel, or simply relax on deck and soak up the sun. The crew is super friendly and makes sure I have everything I need throughout the day. And for the passengers' comfort, the boat is fully equipped with clean onboard toilets, freshwater showers for after my swim, and a bar serving a full range of refreshing drinks. Each island has a unique charm. My first stop is typically Red Island. It's a fantastic spot for a quick dip in the refreshing waters. Then we head towards St. Nicholas Islands or Glemmer Island, which is steeped in history. I can actually hike up the summit for some truly panoramic, breathtaking views. The tour really let me explore hidden coves and swim in these turquoise waters. All that exploring has certainly worked up an appetite. The crew even provides a delicious lunch and refreshing drinks to keep me energized. Seriously, one of the best parts of these tours is the incredible onboard meal. Freshly prepared meat, chicken or fish with couscous, salad and pasta. Delicious and enjoyed with an unbeatable backdrop. Is there anything better? As I continue my journey, I visit beautiful spots like Camel Beach and the stunning Aquarium Bay, where the waters are so clear, I feel like I can see straight to the bottom. The beauty of doing this tour in November is it's peaceful. I can truly connect with nature, soak in the views and just relax without the hustle and the bustle of peak season. The gentle sea breeze is just perfect. afterwards, we're getting lost in Fethiye's old town. The streets are winding and charming, and you can stroll the scenic Harbour Promenade, soaking up the atmosphere. It's the perfect place to grab a Turkish tea and watch the world go by. You know what I love about Fethiye? No matter if there's a little bit of green space by the docks, they're all there fishing away. I don't know what they're trying to catch, but I'm sure there must be something to catch, otherwise they wouldn't be doing it.
Not good.
Okay. And just like that, night turns to day, and it's time to make my way back to the hotel to perhaps chill out and watch a little bit of a movie or something. Unfortunately, my travels in Fethiye, Turkey have come to an end, and I'm just walking back to my room so I can get packed, ready to head back to England. Now, let me just tell you, I have had the best time. There's cable car rides, which are up in the mountains, so you can see the spectacular views. I've been on a boat trip today, a 12-island boat trip, which was absolutely just incredible. To see all this magnificent scenery was breathtaking, as you've seen earlier in the video. And like I said, there's the cable cars, there's the boat trips, there's the limestone water baths which you can go to. There's so many activities. You can hire mopeds, you can hire quad bikes to go and have a look around. I mean, I didn't really trust myself on a quad bike or anything. I'd prefer to walk everywhere just to be that little bit safer. Not to mention the beautiful hotel, which is just here, because I'm going back to my room. There's a beautiful swimming pool, and I stayed at the Marina Boutique Hotel, just in case for your information. It's a slightly smaller hotel, but the staff were really friendly, really helpful, and you get a Mediterranean breakfast every morning during the winter months, and I think in the summer months, obviously the restaurant is open so you can purchase food. But it's beautiful here. You've got like I said, the beautiful gardens. You've got the marina, which I'm not sure if you can see peeking in the background just behind me, which is where you have breakfast, which was beautiful, so tranquil. And with it being November, it's been that little bit quieter, so I've had a fabulous, relaxing holiday, just what I needed. I know I've filmed everything, but filming to me is no problem. I enjoy it. So Fethiye, Turkey, if you want to come in the November months when it's a little bit quieter, it's so tranquil. And, you know, like I said, I've had an amazing time. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like, follow and a comment, and let me know if you want me to do any more travel vlogs of where I'm going to next. But I will be back here. I'm not sure if I'll stay at this hotel. It's another contract that I've got, so I might be staying in another hotel, but I'll keep you updated. That's in March. So I'm looking forward to that. And I think I'll be going to Spain, so there'll be another travel vlog on Spain to go and see some friends over there. But like I said, guys, my name's lathonmb, and there should be some of my other content which is popping up around here. So don't forget to check that out. See you in the next one. See ya.